what we know for sure, especially kids who have trauma or emotional baggage. They're watching every single thing we do. They see this. When you walk down the hall and you see kids running, and you go, again, that face and that sigh is enough for that child who has some emotional baggage and wants to kind of take over you. That's enough for them to know, I'm in. Versus you walking down the hall and saying, hey guys, make sure you walk. And you got kind of that poker face. When we lose that poker face, they now have that in. And kids with emotional types of things going on in their lives, which is a lot of them, are much more attuned to that. They're watching everything. So just really be careful how you respond and how your face looks. It's really hard to have a poker face when you have some of these kids who come in the morning and you say good morning and they say, oh, you suck. That's not a good way to say good morning. But you're like, oh, what did you say? Versus saying, think about that, good morning. And really holding strong to that, because they really are watching everything they do. And this is how they learn how to behave. They're taking the information from what we do and transferring it on how they treat others. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. I speak and consult on school behavior, and I love to help districts solve some of these problems. See you next time.